How to download and install Miniconda. There are many ways to install and run Python and its tools and libraries. In our tutorial, we use Miniconda to install and run Python, which is a small version of Anaconda, includes Python, Conda, and only a few packages, including pip. Firstly, for download Miniconda, go to docs.conda.io. Choose the suitable version for your computer. For example, in my case, Windows 64-bit. Click on it. Then click on Show in Folder. When download is finished, double-click on the Miniconda 3. Then next, choose I agree. Then for select installation types, choose just me. First option. Next. Then for choose installation location, choose a location. Next, then for advanced installation options, choose the second one, register Miniconda as my default Python 3.9. Click on install. It starts installing. Click on next and finished. Now Miniconda with the Python installed on your computer.